Okay, this one we're going to talk about these squat toilets, and we're going to check out that bug. Whoa. So anyways, we're going to talk about that in a minute, and we're going to use this as our storyline for this little bathroom that's out on this trail here. All right, see you in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are. We're going to show you that squat toilet in a minute, but before we do, I just want to show you these trails. I kind of want to take advantage of showing this to you because some people are curious about, you know, what bathrooms look like in different places, or it's also captured in times for 2020. And man, I got to zoom in on this. Let me turn off this setting. Yeah, and outside this bathroom is this beautiful view, so you can see ocean way out there. I tried to zoom in as much as I could with this kind of camera. So I don't know how much you can actually see, but this is actually a little trail area. And I just made everything twice as close. And there's not anybody out here, so I just thought I'd just show you what the bathrooms look like in Macau. And we're kind of out by this trail, so we're just gonna go in here real quick, and I'll just kind of show you. First thing is you can buy toilet paper, so they don't always have it supplied, so you can always get it. It's probably like, I don't know how many mop that is, probably 5. Oh no, 1 mop. That's about like 15 American cents. So this is, check out what the bathrooms look like. So this is what a squat looks like. So basically you put your, it's pretty clean in here too, so you put your feet on these ones, and of course you turn around and you squat. And then there's also these little things that you can hold yourself if you're maybe an older person, or if there's or a bigger person, I guess, as well. Yeah, both of them are squats. So this is also a squat, and there's how you do it right there. So you squat like that. Nice diagram for people that might not know. And then there's also some rules. Please flush the toilet. So there's a foot, so you're supposed to do it with your foot. Don't use your hands, just use your foot like that and just close it. Don't put your trash in the toilet. It's funny how they put the toilet differently in the picture instead of the squat. But that's the squat one. So, okay. Caution, wet floor. More instructions. Keep it clean. It is pretty clean. Save water. Treasure the water. Some people, these kind of places, they'll just leave the water running all the time. This one looks like it's quite clean and quite dry. And then they also have security, so looks like they come by quite often actually. I don't know if this is just a daily log, might be. They have to come by and zoom in on that. So you can see exactly, maybe it's once. So, but anyways, this is basically where we're at right here. So this is a big trail with lots of kind of a major hiking area. So we're in Taipa, part of Macau, and then so we're just going to come back out, and then we can just show you what the context is of this. So yeah, there you go. And there's actually an outdoor sink, so you can come out and wash your hands over in this outdoor sink as well. And I guess we'll end it right there. Let's just do a quick view of the area before we leave. So this little area, there's you can see the ocean from here. There's kind of a campground. There's trails that go up there. There's another trail for, I guess a car could go up there if they need to, or bikes. But there's a no biking sign. And then over here is all this big barbecue pit. Anyways, another little part of Macau for you. But yeah, the main focus was the toilet, just so you can see. And actually I just want to show you this old phone booth while we're here. The bathroom was really clean. The phone booth should be out of date by now. Let's see if this even works. Nothing. So yeah, this is basically an old relic now. Might be a whole video in itself. Okay, let's end it right there.